What's up guys, David from 12 Volt Technologies here again. This time we're doing a dash camera, front and rear, in a 2023 Toyota Sienna. This was a client provided dash camera. I believe it was the Redtiger F7N Plus kit, and the client also provided their hard wiring cable. This is a pretty standard installation from us. Basically, we just disassemble the panels that are between us and our cable routes. You can see the third brake light had to come down and a little bit of trim on the rear headliner back here. And we routed our wires through the factory rubber channels. Once we get all that apart, we route our wires up to the front, following the factory wiring, and make our connections at the fuse box. The front dash camera's in here. You can see it kicking on with the key after coming out of parking mode. You can see the footage from the front and rear camera in the screen there. And then we'll show you the installation of the rear camera back here on the rear glass. Overall, this is a pretty quick, easy, and clean installation from us. If you guys happen to be in the San Diego area and are interested in getting some work done, jump on the website and fill out the contact us page.